Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna play this game called Pilfering Pirates? Pilfering Pirates, yeah, that's it, sorry. Today we're gonna play it, and we aren't joined by anybody today, and, I'm already dead. What a great start to this video. This seemed just like that one game. Why do I forget what that one game was called that I played before? I forget the name. If you could leave the name down in the description, that would be great, if you know what I'm talking about. Because I feel like it's a decently popular game. Why can't I think of the name? Wonder why. Alright, so, guess we're... Oh. Well, red team has been eliminated. Well, I get we were eliminated, but this is kind of funny. Alright. So, let's just wait, I guess. 16. First team to 20 KOs. Let's do this. This is fun. Alright, so enough of that. Alright, I'm assuming rocket launcher in the other game I played that I was talking about earlier is probably like the best one in the game. So I guess we just go in with it, I guess. That guy just narrowly avoided that. Oh. Some guy camping in a boat. Alright, got another kill. Alright, I'm gonna invade the green base here. These AFKs. Oh crap! No. Alright, well that didn't go exactly as planned. What? Alright. Let's go back to a bit. Alright. Alright, well. Is there anybody else in this ship here? God, my aim is awful. Let's just go with the bomb. Okay, we'll just send it. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh no. I ain't good. Well, red's almost won, so... Alright, can we spectate? Alright. Red's almost won, so... Wait, red's almost won. Look at their base right there. Oh, look at... Oh, is that just that one guy? Alright, red team won. Alright, well that was pretty fun. I guess we're gonna do some... Oh. Alright, starting round with 16 players. Let's try the other team. Okay. So it's just like normal. It's not a deathmatch crap. Can you shoot this one? No. Crap. That wasn't. I'm an idiot. Alright, well. Let's just, I guess, hop in my boat. Probably. On invade green base because I'm on red and that's it. Why is green always the easiest to take out? Huh. Alright, we'll kill you. Person's trapped. Yes! throw a bomb down there. Shoot a up there. Try and, I guess, take out their base so they have to. That doesn't do damage. Well, block damage. Alright, so just like the little rocket launcher and the bomb do damage to the structures, as well as player damage. That seems pretty good. Oh, we got. Oh, God. Oh, God, my frames are dropping. So, took out green base swiftly. Well, not entirely. I hop in my boat. Yeah, blue team has been eliminated. Oh, that's scary. Oh, green team's been eliminated. Oh, crap. Oh, it doesn't do damage? Oh, shit. Throw a plank down then. Right back in my boat we go. Alright, sorry for being this is gonna be a shorter video than my other Roblox video. I just don't feel like recording that much today. Had quite a long day doing some other stuff. But my life isn't all YouTube for you guys. And don't think I don't care about you, because I do. I just really didn't. According to today, I didn't feel the greatest. That's why my voice is like a little... Oh, yellow team went down. Well, not their entire ship yet, but... Oh, come on. Come on. Yes! Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry for being a short video. Well, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. And turn on notifications. It's totally free. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!